The Aussie versus US dollar started the day with a move to the downside as the inflation data came in weaker than expectations. We did get a rebound in after the initial move to the downside, but have since has seen a continuation lower for this currency pair as the US dollar moves higher. I'll talk about the technicals that are driving this currency pair in this video, so let's get started. A bearishness in this currency pair was started yesterday, or increased yesterday, with the move below the 200-hour moving average. That's a green line in this chart. From a technical perspective, that was more bearish, especially since the price leaned against that level, moved down, leaned against the level, moved down, and then toward the end of the U.S. Session, moved back up toward that level, giving traders the opportunity to, well, you can go above or you can go stay below. And in the Asian session, the price remained below the level. We had this inflation data, which puts the price lower. We saw a rebound back to the upside that took the price back above this swing area near 0.62457. That level was helped defined by things like this high right here, this high right here, this high right here. Admittedly, the price moved above and below the area right through here, and including trading yesterday as well. But the inability to stay above that level was still more bearish, and we started to see a rotation more to the downside in the European/US early session. We've now reached a new low. The next target area comes against this swing area right through here. This level was defined by different swing levels, including all these levels right through here, here. Got messy here, but used this level as resistance before moving to the downside. Came back to the level here and here and here and here, and then moved above and started to use this level. You can see the ups and downs around this level, which is congruent with the ups and downs that occurred through this area right through here. But then we base against this area, moving to the upside and continuing that move to the upside into January. Since then, over the last 4 or so days, the price has moved lower, and we look to retest this area down on the downside. That's the next key target on the downside of 0.6191 to 0.61999. Let's call it 0.62 on the downside. That's going to be the next key target on the downside for the Aussie versus US dollar if the bias remains in the dollar buying, Aussie versus US dollar selling. So there you have it, a look at the Aussie versus US dollar from a technical perspective. Sellers in control. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.